Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I want to share with you cute little spring sushi bowls. The 3rd of the March is the Japanese Girls Festival to wish girls health and happiness. We have only a boy in my family, so I don't have Hina dolls to display, but I want something related to the day. It may be out of the date, but the Japanese Girls Festival has more than 1,000 years of tradition. We should take over to the next generation. The first thing we are going to do is cut off the stem of the Canola blossoms and release them into the water to revive the plant. You can use broccoli rabe instead. Start cooking 2 cups of rice in a rice cooker or a heavy bottom pot. While we are soaking in the water, let's prepare the shrimp. I have shown you how to prepare shrimp before, so let's give it a quick review. Take the vein off with your toothpick and steam in a small pot for a couple of minutes and then set aside until used. Next, we are going to make chicken Soboro. You can always make it ahead and you can keep it in the fridge for a week. Put the ground chicken into a medium-sized pot and pour in a tablespoon of sake. Break up the ground chicken with 4 chopsticks. When you break up the ground chicken, start heating on medium-low heat. Cook until heated through. The liquid on the bottom has an uncomfortable smell for me, so discard the liquid. If you don't mind it, keep cooking. Put it back in the pot and add in grated ginger, sugar, and soy sauce. Cook on medium heat until almost all of the liquid is gone. Set aside until used. We are going to make egg Soboro. Crack 2 eggs into a measuring cup and add a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of sugar. Beat well until egg yolk and white well combined. Grease lightly the small frying pan. Pour in the egg mixture. What we are going to do is cook it slowly and crumble it up and make a small scrambled egg. Break up the egg into very small pieces. It should not be too dry, so stop cooking while it's still moist. Set aside until used. Now let's go back to the canola blossom. Look at the fresh canola blossom we soak in the water. But be careful, if you leave there for about 4-5 hours, probably the flower will bloom and become stiff to eat. Bring a pot of water to a boil and start boiling from the stem for 1 minute and then boil whole plant for another 1 to 2 minutes. Pinch the stem and it is soft to touch but still have some resilience. It's okay to finish cooking. You can quench in the cold water, but I love the aroma of its own, so I just drain in the mesh strainer and leave it until it comes to room temperature. Cut into 2-inch lengthwise and divide the stem into 2 to make it easy to chew. We are using the leafy part and blossom. Keep the stem part for other dishes. It will make a great stir fries. Finish using in a couple of days. I'm gonna show you another recipe at the end of the video. Squeeze out the excess moisture and put it in the container. Sprinkle a small amount of Mentsuyu to season. Peel the shell from the shrimp and slice it into 2. Now let's prepare sushi rice. Keep a small amount of freshly cooked rice for my ancestors as always. Toss in 3 tablespoons of sushi vinegar for about 2 cups of cooked rice. While the rice is still warm, make small sushi rice balls. Do not squeeze too hard. The rice should be crumbled in your mouth easily. It should not be bigger than the ping pong ball. Place the shrimp on the center of the plastic wrap and put the sushi rice ball right on top and squeeze to put together. Next, place the canola blossom on the center and put the sushi rice ball on top. Squeeze and put it together. Next, chicken Soboro and egg Soboro, and top with the canola flour. The brown color represents the soil, and yellow egg represents the sunshine. Green canola blossom represents spring. It is said that the spring is season for detox, and spring vegetables that has bitterness like canola blossom or broccoli rabe work quite well to clean your colon. So we should eat more spring vegetables. Let me show you my favorite ways to enjoy spring vegetables as a bonus tip. Deli-style salad with tuna and wakame seaweed and onion slices, tossed in Japanese mayonnaise. The bitterness and fatty mayonnaise go so well together. And this one is another my favorite mayonnaise salad, boiled egg and shrimp and canola blossom. This is so good. This one is a Chinese-style stir-fry, cooked with scrambled egg and pork, seasoned with oyster sauce. Goes so well together with the hot steamed rice. And this is the easiest one, toss in the salted kelp. This is more like tsukemono. You can put it on top of the white rice and pour in the green tea, and you can enjoy as a ochazuke. Simmered in soy sauce with pork. You can serve with white rice and grilled mackerel. That's going to be a good weeknight dinner. It's so healthy and beautiful looking finger food for your party. And we are not allowed to go to ohanami party this year, but it makes a great ohanami bento. Spring is just around the corner, and I hope the pandemic is over soon, and I hope we can celebrate the spring. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!